Hello viewers, again welcome. Today we dive into the world of very beautiful artistic craft and beautiful ideas for upcoming festive season, and we need to do something artistic and energetic. This gives you the mindfulness and healthy mind activity for everyone. So who wants to become an artist and wants to do something creative for homes and something creative for classy ideas? To get this video and make sure to beautiful and amazing craft ideas. This is a crochet pattern. Everybody needs very craftic and beautiful ideas for home, so this video will give you the best vibes. If you want to learn more designs like this, so you can follow on our channel. So these crafty and crochet ideas will make your mind fresh and beauty of behind. So hope you like the designs and ideas. We need more. If you need more designs, so you can tell us which types of design would you like to watch. I will definitely try to upload whatever you want to watch. We will give you the best ideas and best designs for everyone who is watching, who is want to be the crochet master. And this video gives you the very beautiful and energetic ideas, creative ideas for everyone. Make something unique and different, make something craftic, so you can join us on our channel. Our channel gives you the best vibes and best ideas for everyone who wants to be craft master. In this video, I'm gonna show you the very interesting collection of crochet pattern. So thank you for watching. We will give you the best ideas and best video for everyone. My channel gives you the best vibes of crochet, and you can watch it as in this video we show you the pattern and flowers crochet pattern. Hope you enjoy the all ideas and designs. Hope you enjoy the video. We will give you the best ideas and best designs. Our channel gives you the ideas of beautiful collection. Who is watching my video? Welcome everyone who is watching my video. We try to upload the best ideas and best designs for crochet making, gift wrapping, eco-friendly ideas for everyone who is watching this video. We try to upload the best ideas and best designs for our viewers and subscribers. May your life fulfilled with happiness, and may your home remain happy and full of happiness. I want to give you the ideas of best and beautiful collection, and if you leave your opinion, tell me on this comment section. We will very happy to see that. So thank you for watching. We are giving you the best and beautiful idea. I wish may your happy life fulfilled with love and happiness. So stay tuned with us and watch till the end. We try to upload the best and beautiful ideas for our viewers and subscribers. Best videos, best ideas, creative ideas, want to give you the best vibes. If you make something and create something, your mind will be happy and relaxing. If you want to get more designs like this, more creative ideas like this, if you make something artistic and creative, means gift wrapping, means X-Mix trees and many more, so your mind will be relaxed and happy. I want to give you the advice Make something new and craft it. It is good for you, it is healthy for you. Thank you. Stay blessed. If you want to get more ideas and more vibes for this, so tell me about in the comment section and we will try to upload whatever you want to watch. So our Mexican viewers and subscribers, I will definitely show you the best and beautiful design of crochet pattern. Which is useful for you, which is useful for our viewers. So hope you enjoyed these designs and ideas and hope you enjoyed the all videos and ideas. Stay blessed, have a very nice and beautiful journey. So thank you for watching this video and thank you for amazing response. Thank you for